Welcome back to Odom's Homestead down here in Zone 7A, Tennessee. Today we got a product review, and it is a LED motion sensor under cabinet light. I'll put the affiliate link in the description. And yeah, we're going to get 15% off of this, y'all. This is a pretty good deal. Let's go ahead. Well, I already unboxed it, but I'll pull it back out and show y'all what it looks like. I plan on putting it up on the cabinet where my coffee pot is. So when I come in here, it's very sensitive. So all I gotta do is step, and then it'll come on, and I can just pull my coffee pot out without even have to turn the light on. Because most of the time in the morning times, my eyes are still kind of dilating, and then when I turn the light on, it makes my eyes water. So yeah, so it's gonna be good for that. And also something I just thought about it'll be good for my wife's makeup case. When she opened the top with that motion signal, it's just gonna be automatically on, and she's gonna be bright. And also, when you do lives, you set that right there beside you. It might be better than that ring light. I'm gonna try it this Thursday. So y'all, let's test this. Let's pull this out of the box and see what it's looking like, and see how it does. Alright, let's pull this out of the box and see what it's looking like. Comes with your USB charger port, cable, some new sheet design. Got two magnets on the back that you already got mine up here. Just slide it up under there just like that. Pretty easy. Take it out, slide it right out. There's your motion sensor light. The USB charger port is there. Then you got one button. Push it once, it's just on. Press it twice, it flashes. That lets you know that the motion detection is activated. We'll put it up in here. We'll turn this light off and I'll show you how bright it actually is. Pretty bright, pretty bright. We'll wait till it goes off. Then I'll show you how sensitive it is. See? There it goes. Watch this. See that? You don't have to walk all the way up to it. It went off. And that is instructions here. Name of the company. We're actually gonna get 15% discount on this. But yeah, I'm gonna put the code in the description. Y'all might want to check this out, especially if you got, watch it. Especially if you got like makeup case, like I said, if you want to just put it in a closet or up inside your cabinets, up under your cabinets, in a dark closet, anywhere. It's motion signal, so what's better than that? But it's for the indoors. Indoors motion signal. Well, thank y'all for tuning in. Once again, it's an Odom Homestead down here in Zone 7A. Y'all stay blessed.